Hey there! We're back with another Beardie&Me, or Hermes and Me. Since it's still pretty cold here and Beardie still doesn't want to come out. So Hermes was gonna assist today. I stopped him from running around. He really enjoys just running all over the room. So today I have Ipsy, and I actually have, it's actually the January bag that I took my time in opening. So it comes in a cool silver bag. It did come with some face masks, rose water essence mask, and a B12 complex infused essence mask. I'm always excited to get the masks. I put them in the bathtub in like little containers so that later on, whenever I'm in the bath, I can just use one. It's nice to just kind of relax sometimes. I got the Pink Guava Primer Oil-Free Illuminating Primer. The Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliation. I got a very tiny cake pencil from what used to be, I guess now I should call it KVD. It's KVD. And Shades of Sean, or Shan. It's a really nice, it's an eyeshadow. It could be a bronzer. No mirror in the compact. That's kind of disappointing. Anyways, let me know what you guys got. Did you guys get anything better than I did? I don't know about continuing with Ipsy because I get a lot of makeup and I never have time to use all of it. So let me know what you think.